How to repair a lamination. This video will show you how to repair a delamination on a solid oak wood tabletop. A delamination is a split between two slats of wood. You will need the following: a cleaning cloth, paper tape, PVAC glue, a utility knife, and some sawdust or sandpaper. You can create sawdust by rubbing a hidden area of your table with sandpaper, or wood paste can be used as an alternative. First, clean the surface with a soft, dry cloth. Then, scrape out any leftover dust with your utility knife. Place paper tape on each side of the delamination. Make sure to follow the line from 2 to 3 millimeters. Put PVAC glue in the split. Apply sawdust on the glue. Proceed quickly before the glue has dried. Rub the dust with the glue into the line. Remove any excess sawdust with a cloth. Repeat until the space is filled. Carefully remove the paper tape and peel away any excess tape. Scrape away sawdust residue using a utility knife. Let it dry and clean with a cloth. For a more uniform finish, you can sand and oil your table as instructed in the video titled Care Instructions: Oak Oiled Ethnicraft Products.